It's an early Saturday morning. We've got to get to a very special art show about an hour west of here. So we're currently driving west out of Cleveland towards Toledo because I didn't want to miss Dave Picciuto from Make Something's very first art show, and especially since I'm trying to focus on doing more art with my wood turning and my woodworking. Dave's been a huge inspiration in that some of the projects and things that he actually accomplishes are fantastic. I would love to just be able to sit and pick his brain on like how he comes up with these ideas. Dave's videos and creations and stuff have been a real big inspiration. I actually think he was one of the first YouTube woodworkers that I actually got into. Finding out that he's just from Toledo, just, you know, looks like an hour and 40 minutes, not an hour and 40 minutes west of me. Figured I'd take this chance to come out and actually see some of this work that I've seen Dave create over the past year. It's been pretty inspiring. So I'm gonna drive. Looks like we're gonna be there right before 11. The show starts at noon, but we have a pit stop to make along the way. I figured since I'm gonna be in Toledo, let's go to this other spot that's been on my list as well.
There's a friction in my conscience. Am I too far gone? Does the good mean there must be something more?
Well, hopefully the footage I took inside there was good enough to understand, but I'll have to show you guys the haul that I got. I ended up buying more wood than I was expecting to, but I've been hearing about Kencraft for years. People in there are fantastic, very helpful. Ended up buying some sassafras, which I've been trying to find. Got some redwood, some a cutting board pack because I need to redo a project, and one small turning blank of cherry. So all in all, successful trip. I was not expecting to come across such a wide piece of sassafras. So I think with the size of the sassafras, I can get 18 bowls out of this one board. So we'll be turning sassafras for a while. We just gotta mill it up when we get home, but that's easy to do. We're gonna head downtown to where the art show is going on. I think it's only about a 9-minute drive, so maybe we'll park, walk around, try to find something around there, maybe to eat.
Common ground with friends.
So I'm walking back to Dave's art show. Figured I'd just walk around the area. Kind of was there, was the second person in today. So I got to meet him, introduce myself, chat for a little bit about all of his pieces. Then there's a farmer's market going on right next door, so I decided to do that and walk around this area. It's actually kind of a cool little area of Toledo. Art show has been a success. Acquired my piece of art. I didn't want to record anything in there. I'll have some pictures. That's more for Dave to show off. Not for me, but it was cool seeing all these pictures or all these pieces from videos that I've watched over the years. It's pretty awesome. Now, I met a few other YouTubers there. So I'm walking up to a bike show to see the other one, or one of them that I met. I'm gonna drop this art piece off in the car. This is that moment when you've been given vague instructions on where to find something, and I'm just walking towards where I hear music.
Measured out in scars,
It's crazy what life will throw at you if you just say yes sometimes. It's awesome. Never been to Toledo before, but I feel like I made 2 friends. So hopefully we can keep in touch. I say that was a pretty successful Saturday. I, of course, didn't get to show you guys any of the art show, but we did walk away with some art from Dave Picciuto and make something. And then we met Acme Supply Co. and went down to the bike show where he had an amazing, I don't think I'm gonna say this wrong because that's how he described it to me, Pee Wee Herman inspired bike on display. Dude, this thing is crazy. Hopefully you guys appreciate this as much as I did. It was awesome. Just to be in a city, in an area with this much creativity was rejuvenating for me. Like, this is what I need to be more creative going forward. And I told Dave this as we were talking. I'm just trying to be more artistic and more creative with everything that I'm doing. And I know it doesn't look like that sometimes, but we're trying to get there. I hope this won't be the last time that I'm in Toledo. The creative community over here seems awesome. And out of note, like meeting Acme Supply Co. just randomly because I decided to wear a Cenodrome shirt to this art show. And he's a big Dave Fogler fan. I'm a big Dave Fogler fan. And we had a conversation about Dave Fogler between the 3 of us, including Dave Picciuto. And it was great. We were all kind of just fanboying over the fact that we stumbled upon this YouTube creator that makes videos that are so enjoyable and pleasant that you just want to keep watching more and more. And then that just led to more conversations. And then, you know, going to check out Acme's bike at the bike show, dude. What else could I have wanted on a Saturday? A big thank you to Dave for putting on this art show so I could come see these pieces that I've spent years and countless hours watching the videos that you make to put these up that have inspired me tremendously. Like I said earlier, I didn't want to record video in there. I did take some stills. I felt kind of bad for that. It's not my artwork. I was going to appreciate it. I kind of do the same thing at the art museum. I'll take some stills, but I'll try not to do too much video. That's for Dave to share and enjoy, and I can't wait. I will be the first one to watch that video whenever he drops it. I just feel like that's his space to share. We're just there to enjoy it. If you like this stuff, if you like wood turning, if you're also creative and you just want to be part of a bigger community and share ideas with folks that are like-minded, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, share this video with someone you think that would enjoy it. I know it's been just kind of rambling and talking and traveling, but this was a cool Saturday. All right, go get inspired, go make something, and go watch some Dave Picciuto make great artwork. Talk to you guys next time. Bye.